Lesson 4. The Physical Features of Bharat. A chapter overview. The physical structure of Bharat. The northern mountains and plains of India. The plateau of Bharat. The Great Bharat Desert. The climate of Bharat. The coastal plains and islands of Bharat. Introduction. Bharat is very big in size and the 7th largest country in the world area-wise. It is about 3,200 kilometers from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south and about 3,000 kilometers from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. However, the land surface is not same everywhere. Its surface has mainly hills, mountains, plains, deserts and plateaus. Based on these physical features, Bharat can be divided into the following physical divisions. The northern mountains. Very high land masses having sloping sides and peaks are called mountains. The tops of these mountains are called peaks. These can be seen in the northern part of Bharat. A chain of high mountains in the north is called the Himalayas, meaning the home of snow because these Himalayan ranges are always covered with snow. Mount Everest is the world's highest mountain peak. Its height is 8,848.86 meters. Many great and holy rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna and the Brahmaputra originate from the Himalayas. The Nilgiri hills are situated in the southern part while the Satpura and Vindhya ranges are in the central part of Bharat. The northern plains. Different parts of our country have flat and level land masses. These are called plains and found to the south of the Himalayas. They stretch from the west to the east. Many rivers which originate from the Himalayas flow through these plains. These rivers bring fertile soil with them, making the northern plains fertile. Thus farmers grow different types of crops like rice, wheat, maize, sugarcane, etc. People build pakka houses in plains. Plains are also stretched in the east and west coasts of Bharat. These coastal plains join at Kanyakumari, the southernmost part of Bharat. The plateau. The southern part of Bharat is a peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Southern part of Bharat is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west and the Indian Ocean in the south. So the southern part of Bharat is also a peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau is called Southern Plateau or Deccan Plateau. This area is also known for its black soil which is good for growing cotton. The coastal plains. Apart from the northern plains, narrow strips of plains are also found along the east and west coasts of Bharat. They are called the Eastern Coastal Plains and Western Coastal Plains. The islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Some islands are a part of our country. The 2 island groups Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal are best known. The Great Indian Desert. In the northwestern part of Bharat the land is sandy. This area is very dry and hot. There is little or no rainfall, so no crops can be grown. Cactus and barbel are the main plants. Such a dry, sandy and barren area is called a desert. The Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert is in the state of Rajasthan. Camel is the most important animal in desert. It is used for transportation and is called the ship of desert. Climate. Due to the different types of land surface, the climate also varies in the country. On mountains, it is cold for most part of the year. In plains, it is hot in summers and cold in winters. In deserts, it is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. There is moderate temperature in the coastal areas. There is variation of rainfalls in different places and different seasons. Recall. Bharat is the 7th largest country in the world. Himalayas are the chain of mountains in the north. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Its height is 8,848.86 meters. The southern part of Bharat is a peninsula. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Northwestern part of Bharat is sandy. The climate of Bharat varies in different parts due to the different types of land surfaces. Like, share, and subscribe.